Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, and today we'll be talking about another question called equal stacks, and this is what it looks like on HackerRank. So the question here says that we'll be given three stacks of cylinders, and each cylinder may vary in height, and our task here is to find the maximum possible height of the stack such that all the three stacks given to us are of exactly same height. So this would mean that we have to remove zero or more cylinders from the top of zero or more stacks until they are all of the same height, and then return the final height. So let's now look at the sample input. So as you can see this, so h1, h2 and h3 are the three vectors which have the sizes of the cylinders. So h1 has 3 2 and triple 1, so 3 2 and 1 1 1, and similarly for the rest of the two stacks. So now our task here would be to pop this cylinder of value 3 and this one of value 4 and these two of total value 2, and once we do that we will realize that now the three stacks are of equal size, as you can see in the last diagram, that is this one. So the height of this one is 5, this one is 5 2, and so is this one. So now the approach we'll be following for this question would be that the we will be pushing the value into the stack which is the height of the which is its height until that cylinder. So what I mean to say here is, suppose considering the first stack, this is 1, and once we place another one, we'll be pushing value 2 instead of 1. So 2 here is the topmost element, and it means that it is the height of the stack. Again, when we push another one, so it will be 3. Then finally 3 plus 2 is 5, and 5 plus 3 will be 8. So the topmost element of the stack should give us the height of the total stack. So this will be 2, and 2 plus 3 would be 5, and 5 plus 4 would be 9. For the third stack we have 1, and then 1 plus 4 would be 5. This should be 6, and this should be 7. So this is the approach we'll be following here, and for each of the stacks we'll be having a for loop. So in total we'll be having 3 for loops in the solution. So let's now look at the code. So here's our code. So we'll be creating 3 stacks first. Next we'll be initializing each stack height to 0, as you can see this. Then we have the first for loop. So for int I is equal to h1 dot size minus 1. So h1 is our vector that will be given from the that we saw from the sample input. Then I greater than or equal to 0 and I minus minus. So now we have this s1 height is equal to s1 height plus h1 I. So this is the same logic that we were talking of earlier, and then finally push the value into the stack. And similarly for stack 2 and 3 we will be having 2 more for loops, and once we have the 3 stacks ready with their values, we'll be having our while loop. And here we can see that while it is true, that is until we satisfy the conditions and we reach the return or the pop statements, as you can see here. So here we have our if else conditions. So the first one says if S1 is empty or S2 is empty or S3 is empty, we have to return 0, because then there is no point. We cannot equate the stacks. Otherwise, what we'll be doing is S1 height is equal to S1 dot top. That is, so now as we discussed, that is the topmost element will be the height of the stack. So now we'll be initializing S1 height and S2 height and S3 height with that. Now we have our if else if conditions, that is if S1 is greatest, will pop from that one, else if S2 is greatest, so S2 dot pop, else of course then we know that S3 is the greatest and will be popping from that one, from that stack. So I hope this was clear, and let's now look at the final code. So let's now code the solution. So here we'll be creating 3 stacks. S3. Now int S1 height equals 0. Int S2 height equals 0, and then int S3 height equals 0. Now we have a 3 for loops, that is for int I equals h1 dot size minus 1, I greater than equal to 0, and finally I minus minus. So S1 height is equals H1 I. So we'll be pushing that element into the stack. So S1 height. Now we have our next for loop for the second stack. This one for the third stack. So let's make changes. S2, H2, S2 dot push, S2 height, H3, S3, H3. So I hope this is clear. Now, after we have our 3 stacks ready, we'll be using our while loop. So while it's true, so if any of the 3 stacks is empty, then we'll simply return 0. So empty, and if this is the case, we'll simply return 0. And if that is not the case, then S1 height will be equal to the topmost element present in the first stack, because that will be the total height. S1 height is equal to this, and then S2 height. 1 second, so I forgot this here. S2 height is equal to S2 dot top, S3 height is equal to S3 dot top. Once we are done with this, and now we have our if condition, that is if all the 3 stacks are equal in size. So if S1 height equals S2 height is 2, and S2 height equals S3 height. So in that case, since the height is same for all the three, we can return any height. So can return S1 height. Now if S1 height is the greatest, if S1 height is greater than or equal to S2 height and S1 height is greater than equal to S3 height, then S1 dot else if S2 height is greater than equal to S1 height and S2 height is greater than equal to S3 height, then we will be doing this operation. Else we know that S3 will be having the highest uh, value for height, so S3 dot 4. This is obvious. So now let's run this code.